You know, it's pretty fascinating to think about how the markets operate. I mean, did you know that statistics show that the markets range about 75 to 85% of the time? Yeah, it's crazy. That means they spend more time going sideways than actually trending. Got me thinking, what if there was a way to make a profit from these ranging markets? Well, guess what? There is. In this video, I'm about to unveil a strategy that revolves around a simple indicator, one that lets you seize opportunities in those sideways moving markets. So let's dive right in. All right, so the core of the strategy lies in a little gem called the Trend Direction Force Index. To set it up, you'll want to hop over to TradingView and load up the 5-minute chart of the euro against the US dollar. And then add the Trend Direction Force Index from the indicators list, specifically the one created by this amazing author. Now, this indicator may sound fancy, but trust me, it's pretty straightforward. You've got this single oscillator that switches between red, gray, and green. But to understand how it works, let's tweak some settings and enable a few features. Head over to the Style tab, tweak the colors a bit, and voila. Now, you'll see these nifty horizontal levels that help indicate whether the market's in a range or on a trend. Picture this, you've got this gray oscillator chilling between those upper and lower levels, right? That's your telltale sign of a ranging market. And when that bad boy decides to break out of those levels, boom. That's your cue to potentially snag some profits. But hey, who needs those horizontal levels cluttering up the screen, right? Let's ditch them. Back to the settings, disable them, and we're good to go. Now let's talk strategy. Say you've identified a ranging market thanks to our trusty Trend Direction Force Index. What next? Well, you wait for that oscillator to change color, indicating a breakout. If it turns red, that's a bearish breakout. If it goes green, bullish breakout. Easy, right? But we're not done yet. We want to add a couple more indicators to the mix to beef up our strategy. Cue the breaks and retests indicator and the simple neural network transformed. These babies are going to help us spot support and resistance areas and identify trends more accurately. All right, let's set them up. Tweak a few settings here, disable some options there. And boom, we're locked and loaded. Now, here's where the magic happens. We've got all our conditions lined up for taking both long and short positions. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Ranging market? Check. Breakout confirmed? Check. Price behaving as expected? Check. And don't forget that the neural network transformed RSI confirming the trend direction. With all these pieces in place, it's like having a roadmap through those tricky ranging markets. Long or short, you've got a clear plan of action. Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than Funded Next, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a Funded Next account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With Funded Next, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. What sets Funded Next apart? Let me break it down for you. Profit sharing from challenge phase, profit sharing right from the get-go. Yep, you heard it right. We're the only prop firm offering this, giving you that extra push to reach the top. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With Funded Next, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Trade with peace of mind thanks to our intelligent drawdown calculations. No unnecessary stress, just smooth sailing towards your trading goals. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game with Funded Next. You get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about when you'll get. With our 24-hour payout guarantee, your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Ready to embark on your journey towards trading success? Join Funded Next today and unleash your trading potential like never before. Contact us now to kickstart your adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next. And hey, don't forget about risk management. Proper position sizing and leverage are crucial to keeping your trading account healthy. And guess what? I've back-tested this strategy and the results are impressive. With a solid plan and disciplined execution, you could be looking at some serious gains. So there you have it, folks. A comprehensive strategy that's all about navigating those ranging markets like a pro. Stick to the plan, follow the conditions, and you could be looking at some sweet gains. And that's a wrap.